Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Lifestyle Gardener. Today I visit the biggest garden center I ever seen in my life. I am in Prince Edward Island, and this garden center have about, I believe, 8 to 9, if not more, high tunnels, and each high tunnels they're growing plants from different states. And I'm going to show you a couple clips of what few of these high tunnels, what they look like inside. So stay tuned. This is just a clip of when you first go inside the garden center. They have seeds, baked goods, vegetables, and so forth, jams and pickles for sale, and drinks like that in the cooler. So I'm just showing you a few of the things. I don't know why I was moving so fast, but I was a little bit nervous to take a video, but I asked permission to do it. So forgive me, that's why I was moving so fast. Hello everyone, this is Lifestyle Gardener. I'm just checking out the biggest greenhouse I've ever seen in Canada. This garden center, I think they have 8 or 9 different tunnel of plants. So I'm getting a few things while doing that. Okay, bye. I got to show you guys these sweet potatoes. They're so beautiful. It's like $8.50, but I never seen they had the sweet potatoes leaf that is purple. I don't know, this is a kind of this is a name tag of the sweet potatoes. I've never seen this kind before. I don't know what color it's going to be. These one looks nice, but this one don't look so nice. I don't know what kind of sweet potato these one are. It's so blurry. These are pansy flowers. The smell of them smells so good. I got a few of them, and I'll show you later on in the video how I plant them. This is one of the high tunnel. You can see how it's so large. These are the seedlings, earlier state of the planting. They have different state of plants that they have, and this is another one at a different state. So I am showing you how I make this hook that I'm going to put through the holes of the container with the pansy flower. I finally find a nice way to prevent the birds from going on to the railing of my deck and make it look more beautiful than putting net like what I did last year. I made a video about keeping birds off the deck last year, but I think this way look more beautiful, and I don't have to use any bird netting. This actually seemed to be working so far, because when I removed the netting this year, a few times the bird poo actually on the railing, and I didn't like that. So I was thinking and I finally came up with the idea of keeping them off but making it look more beautiful than how it did last year. And I'm going to show you guys how I decided to do that. So this is how it looks after I put the container on top of the bamboo stick and on top of the garden stick. I use garden garden trellis and some sticks that I collected from fallen trees in the forest, and some twists and some garden wire to attach everything together. And then I put the containers, which I made from plastic bottles from sparkling water, and I made flowers. Those are the flowers that I made from the sparkling bottle, and this is what it looks like afterwards. I think it looks cute and it's environmental friendly because I'm reusing the plastics. So far this is what it looks like. I think it came out good. So you guys, stay tuned. I'll make a video about part 2 of what else I'm going to do actually. Bye.